Hi, in this video I will be sharing with you some very important legal information. Knowing this could prevent you from getting in a lot of trouble. As you have clearly seen in the video title, don't say these 5 words to a cop. Legal advice that could save you. Let me tell you something that most people don't hear until it's too late. It's not always what you do that gets you in trouble. Sometimes it's what you say. And even one sentence, even 5 words, spoken in the wrong moment to the wrong officer can change everything. This isn't about being anti-cop. It's not about being shady. It's about being smart. So today, I want to have a real conversation with you. Not a lecture. Not legal jargon. Just a straight-up talk, like I would with a friend or family member, about what you should never say to police if you want to stay protected. And let's start with a sentence you've probably heard before. The 5 words you should never say to a cop. I don't have anything to hide. Sounds innocent, right? In fact, most people say this when they're trying to sound cooperative, calm, and honest. They think it makes them look good, like they're doing the right thing. But in reality, saying, I don't have anything to hide, is one of the most dangerous phrases you can say during a police stop or during an investigation. Let's break this down like we're talking one-on-one so that you can fully understand why this sentence is a legal trap. First of all, think about why you'd say this. You're probably being asked a question that feels like a challenge. The cop who approached you might ask, "Mind if I search your car? Can I take a look through your bag?" You don't mind answering a few questions, right? And you respond in defense. I don't have anything to hide. Seems harmless. But what you've just done is open the door, both figuratively and legally, to a series of problems. Because here's how the law and law enforcement can interpret that phrase. 1. Implied consent. By saying you don't have anything to hide, you may be implying consent to a search. That's a huge deal. If they don't have probable cause but you suggest that you're okay with it, they may not even need a warrant. And once they're in, whether it's your trunk, your phone, or your backpack, they can use anything they find against you. Even if you forgot about that prescription pill bottle, that old vape pen, or your buddy's jacket with something questionable in it. 2. Shift in power. You're giving away the psychological high ground. Instead of standing firm in your constitutional rights, you're now justifying yourself. And the moment you feel like you need to justify yourself to the police instead of asserting your rights, you've already started to lose ground. 3. You're saying too much. In stressful moments, saying, I don't have anything to hide, often leads to talking more. Trying to explain. Trying to prove you're not guilty. But guess what? Anything you say can be twisted, misheard, or used out of context. You're not obligated to prove your innocence. You're entitled to remain silent, and smart people do. What you should say instead. Here's what a lawyer would tell you, what I would personally tell my own family. If you're approached by police and questioned, searched, or pressured to talk, calmly and respectfully say, I don't consent to any searches. Am I free to go? I choose to remain silent. I'd like to speak with an attorney. That's it. Those are your power phrases. They might sound simple, but they're powerful legal tools. They show you're not being hostile, but you know your rights. What people get wrong about silence. Let's clear something up because this stops a lot of people from protecting themselves. Many people they think, if I stay silent, won't I look guilty? Won't the officer think I'm hiding something? Listen to me carefully. Silence is not an admission of guilt. In fact, after being arrested or detained, your constitutional right to remain silent is one of the most powerful protections you have. Talking to police without a lawyer doesn't make you look innocent. It makes you look vulnerable. A real-world reminder, cops can and will lie to you. This isn't a conspiracy. It's legal. In the U.S., police officers are allowed to pretend they have evidence when they don't. Say someone else already confessed. Suggest this will all go easier if you just explain. They're trained to trick you just to get you to talk. And many of them are very, very good at it. Your job isn't to outsmart them, it's to say less and protect your rights. Final word, say less, protect more. Look, I'm not telling you this to scare you. I'm telling you because I've seen too many people talk themselves into charges they could have avoided. All because they were trying to be helpful, or honest, or innocent. And it all started with a simple sentence like, I don't have anything to hide. So here's the takeaway. Know your rights. Use your rights. Don't talk your way into a courtroom. Protect yourself first. Worry about everything else later. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have received value from this video, please smash the thumbs up button to give us a like. Please share this video with your loved ones so they too can be informed and be empowered. Want to add a comment? Please do so in the comment section below the video. Until next time, please be safe.